Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Summer Vibes preset in Lightroom Mobile. These are an example photos before and after using this preset. Let's start the photo editing tutorial. First, go to the Light menu. Exposure to +0.30. -20 for contrast. Highlight to -75. Bring shadows to +35. White to -30. And -10 for black. Now, go to the curve tone and follow the curve tone. And then, go to the color menu. Adjust the temperature to +10. Tint to +4. +25 for vibrance. And bring the saturation to -10. Now, go to color mix. For red color, adjust hue to +30. Saturation to +4. And luminance to -34. Next, go to orange color. +10 for hue. -25 for saturation. And bring luminance to +20. Go to yellow color. Hue to -65. Saturation to -30. And luminance to -20. Next, go to green color. Bring hue to -20. Saturation to -80. And -40 for luminance. Move to aqua color. +30 for hue. Saturation to -15. And luminance to +20. Go to blue color. Hue to -25. Adjust saturation to +15. And luminance to +10. Next, go to purple color. Saturation to +25. Bring luminance to -25. Go to magenta color. Saturation to -20. Adjust luminance to +25. Now, move to Effects menu. Clarity to +20. +40 for dehaze. And then, go to Split Tone. For highlight, adjust hue to 24 and saturation to 34. For shadows, bring hue to 219 and saturation to 19. And -30 for balance. Now, go to Detail menu. Sharpening to 25. Color noise reduction to 25. And it's done. Now, you can try to copy this preset and paste to other photos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.